Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I'm going to show you how I used an AA score on Altcoin Alert to find a profitable trade in the ANKR token, ANKR. Let's go to the screenshot. Okay, here we are on the Altcoin Alert screenshot. I've circled two coins that I purchased this morning. One is the Holochain coin, or HOT. I'm still in that one, haven't hit my goal yet. So I'll focus on this one here, Anchor Network, ANKR. We've got a very bullish score of 82.1. I traded this coin a couple times this month with some success, so I feel good about it. Let's go to the chart and I'll show you what I saw this morning. Okay, so here we are on the Anchor chart, the 5-minute chart, and this is what I was looking at this morning. At the time, it was around 9 o'clock when I was looking at Altcoin Alert for some coins to trade. And I've got this nice trending pattern up here above the SMA line. This pink line here is the SMA line. It's halfway between the Bollinger Bands. This is one of my favorite places to pick up an Altcoin Alert based trade. Another one I like is a dip sequence here. This is a 1, 2, 3 dip. I've talked about this in many of my other videos. Big crashing first dip here, below the Bollinger Band, comes up, breaks it again a second time, and then a third time, then get in here. This is a great place to buy below the bottom of the Bollinger Band. As you can see, it rides up past the SMA line. So this would have been a really good trade as well. But that's one place I like to get them. Another one is to ride this trend here. So I am in this trade at 0.16667 at 9:02 a.m. And regarding an exit point, I mean, what do I do with this trade? Where do I go with it? So I've got the 15-minute chart here, and I've highlighted a couple areas of resistance. I had to go back a couple days. I've got this area here with multiple candle touches at the 17467 level, and more, and this one a little bit higher at the 0.17934 level. So this is the area I'm looking to get out with a 5 to 7% profit. I actually choose an exit of 0.1784, a little bit above the first one here, and then I make my buy and sell order, and then I wait. So back to the 5-minute chart. The coin does nicely at first, punches through 17 cents, and then drops, but still staying above the SMA line. It's just bouncing between the SMA line and the top of the Bollinger Band. And I check on this at about this point, see that it's gone up here to 0.1749 and then dropped again, but it's just coming back up, and I'm thinking, this is a good profit here. It's right around 5%. I think I'll get out there. So I cancel my prior order for 1.7 or 0.178. I go ahead and check out of this at 0.17499. At 3:38 p.m., I've got a 5.007% profit. It's an 8.5-hour trade. So yeah, a 5% in a 24-hour period is very good. An 8-hour period is excellent. Those are the kind of day trades we like to get. If you can do a couple of these every day with a reasonable amount in your balance, you can do pretty well for yourself. So these are the kind of trades I like to make with Altcoin Alert and the AA scores. And that's all I have on a Friday afternoon, short and sweet and hard to beat. As you can see, I'm still rocking my Northern Arizona University background in honor of my daughter's graduation. So it's been a fun week with that going on. That's all I have for today's trade of the day. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the tools and resources in the comments below. They help support this channel. I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend. Bye.